So in this test I'll be demonstrating how to transmit data wirelessly from one node to another node and then to PC automatically. So in this test I'll not be using the other two WSN boards since there is a problem with some LCD module. So I'll be using my development board circuit, which I have configured to transmit the exact data set with device ID to our receiver node. That receiver node will act as a interfacing node between the PC and the other wireless node, which is situated over here. So this will receive the data from the other node. Will The data will go to the microcontroller and then to the USB port, where it will be transmitted by USB to serial converter into the PC screen. So in this test, so I'll be as discussed earlier, the receive data option, which is the number 5 option, I have already selected. It's an infinite loop. It will receive data until the data transmission is detected. So I'll first of all connect the USB to serial converter terminal. This is the ground terminal, which is very important, and the other is the signal terminal. So when the transmission will start, the transmission also involves the device ID also. The transmitting device also sends its ID also. So this device I have configured as C and this is A. So the C will transmit to A to computer. So on the PC screen we'll see the transmission being received from C. So the device ID that will come is C. So I'll turn on the transmission, and as soon as I turn on the transmission, you can see the LED is blinking over here, which is a sign of data being transmitted, and LEDs being glowing here, which indicate that data is being received. So I'll turn on the transmission over here. So you can see the data is being transmitted from this device to this device. You can see the data being received and data coming on this screen. You can see the device ID also coming. So the data set is received. So in this way this WSN circuit will work.